Hey everybody, welcome back to Bake with Shivesh. As you can probably tell, I'm super excited and that's because I hit 300,000 followers on Instagram. And to celebrate that milestone, I'm making something very special, something that a lot of you have been asking me to do. A no-bake mango cheesecake. It's going to be super delicious and I'm super pumped, so let's get started. Let's start by making the base of the cheesecake, for which you only need biscuits and melted butter. I'm using multigrain biscuits here, which I'll crush in my food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you could just do this using your rolling pin. The biscuits are nicely crushed, and to this I'm going to add half a cup of melted butter. This is your regular salted butter. Just give it a good mix so that all the biscuit crumbs are nicely coated in butter, and then we'll press it into the bottom of a springform pan. I am using a 6-inch springform pan for this recipe. Whenever you're making cheesecake, it's always recommended to make it in a springform pan or in a pan with a removable bottom. This looks good. It needs to sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and meanwhile we'll start working on the filling of the cheesecake. I'm going to start by taking half a cup of cold water in a small bowl, and onto this I'm going to sprinkle 4.5 teaspoons of gelatin powder. After giving it a good mix, I let it sit on the counter for about 10 minutes. Gelatin is important in this recipe because it helps your cheesecake set properly. If you skip the gelatin, your cheesecake will start melting once it's out of the oven. If you're vegetarian, you could also look for vegetarian gelatin options in the market. In a separate bowl, I have 2 cups of softened cream cheese. I did a video on how to make cream cheese at home. It's an incredibly simple recipe, so you could double that recipe and get the cream cheese to make this cheesecake. I'll leave the link for that recipe in the description box below. I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of sugar. You could use powdered sugar or superfine sugar, and 1 cup of mango puree. I'm also adding in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then using an electric mixer, I'm going to combine everything together. Meanwhile, the gelatin water mixture that has been resting looks something like this. This is exactly what you're looking for. I'll now microwave this for 15 seconds until the gelatin powder melts completely. The gelatin powder has melted completely. I let it rest and cool for about 10 minutes before I add it to my cream cheese filling. Now into the filling, I'm adding 1 cup of cream. I'm using heavy cream for this recipe, but you could also use fresh cream, which is more commonly available, and the cool gelatin mixture. Once the filling is ready, we'll pour it over the biscuit crust. I'm just going to quickly flatten the top and then set the cheesecake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight until it sets completely. Once my mango cheesecake has set completely, I'm going to dress it with whipped cream and fresh mango slices. I honestly couldn't have thought of making a better dessert to celebrate 300,000 followers on Instagram. And if you guys don't follow me there already, please do. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys very soon with another recipe. Until then, happy baking and take care.